Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to use iTouch Go step by step. First of all, make sure the plastic seal has been removed and the device is switched off before insertion. Clean the probe with alcohol-free antibacterial wipes. Lie down on your back in a comfortable position with your legs apart. Avoid lying on your side or keeping your thighs tightly closed, as this may interfere with the wireless connection. Insert the lubricated probe in the same way as you would a tampon until only the plastic rim at the base of the probe is visible. Hold the power button for 3 seconds. The control hub and probe will take about 10 seconds to connect successfully. This is indicated on the LCD display with a connection animation. Once the probe and control hub are connected, the connection animation will disappear and the probe battery level will be visible in the top right corner of the screen. Please ensure the control hub and probe are fully charged before first use. If the probe is not pairing with the control hub, fully charge both for 4 hours, then attempt the pairing process again. Press the power button to choose your desired preset. Using the probe or the control hub, adjust the intensity by pressing the plus button. Please note that some presets, such as P1, P3 and P4, include a built-in rest period. After completing a cycle, the device will rest for 6 or 10 seconds before starting the next operation. If you feel the stimulus, it means the device is working. You can now start your treatment. After 30 seconds of inactivity, the device will automatically lock. When locked, key symbol will appear at the bottom left corner of the screen. To unlock the device, press the minus button and the key symbol will disappear. If the intensity drops to 0 mA and you are no longer feeling the stimulus, ensure that the conductive plates of the probe are in full contact with your body. Once the probe's conductive plates are no longer fully in contact with your body, the intensity will automatically drop to 0 mA. Insert the probe, then press the plus button until you reach your desired intensity. Keep in mind that presets 1, 3 and 4 use a work and rest cycle where the stimulus will pause for 6 or 10 seconds. You may now continue your treatment. To pair your new probe, simply follow these easy steps. Turn the device off and remove the old probe for 2 minutes. Move the old probe at least 10 meters away from the control hub. Reinsert the new probe and charge the connection hub for 30 seconds. The green light on the connection hub will begin flashing and a new light inside the connection hub will appear. This green LED will flash, indicating that the probe has successfully paired with the control hub and is charging. At the end of the session, the intensity will automatically drop to 0. If you wish to finish your session earlier, reduce the intensity to 0 mA before removing the probe, then turn the device off. Remove the probe safely by holding the probe tail. Clean the probe and connection hub with alcohol-free antibacterial wipes. Rinse the probe with clean water promptly. Then dry it thoroughly. Do not immerse the wireless probe or the control hub in any liquid. You can now insert the probe back into the control hub. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your iTouch Go.